Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's upscale, what we're going to be doing is these cute little glasses that I found from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use the Mod Podge that is dishwasher safe and do like a little Christmas scene on them and make some hot chocolate glasses that I think turn out super cute. Super simple to make, really cheap, doesn't cost hardly anything, and I think it's just a really cute gift for that kid on your Christmas list that you can make really easy, or do it with your grandkids and have them be able to take home something cute and special for them. All I did was I decided that I want the bottom of the glass to kind of be like a snowy landscape with a snowman on it. So I just took some of the Mod Podge and put it over in the glass however I thought I wanted it to look, and I did kind of wavy lines. And then I took some glitter and sprinkled it on top. I made sure I had just a piece of paper underneath to catch all the glitter that was going to fall off so I can reuse it again. And then I just went ahead and took the Mod Podge and kind of made a snowman shape, and I'm going to do the same thing and sprinkle the glitter over top of it. Really easy, like I said. So after this, what I'm going to do is I need some big snowflakes on here. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing and just kind of rough out some snowflakes. Now, in hindsight, I kind of wish I would have done the snowman a little bit smaller. He looks a little plain without a hat on, but if I would have taken it any higher, then the glitter would have been up too high where the kid's mouth is going to go, and then that just wouldn't be good. I mean, I am going to gloss varnish it in, so hopefully, the majority of it is going to stay on and last for a while, but I don't know how long this is going to hold it. I mean, you've had glitter before on stuff. I'm not resining it in, so it's not going to be a permanent thing. I'm sure it's going to wash off and come off in time with use, and I don't want it to come off in their mouth. I decided I needed a little bit of something on that bottom of that cup, so I took the red glitter and I just kind of dumped it on just to kind of give it that extra special something. And I kind of focused, I ended up doing 4 cups, and you're going to see bits and pieces of each one of them throughout the process. There's no need for me to make you watch me do it 4 different times because once is really all you need. But anyway, so I did go and do 2 different colors on each cup, and then I did names in a separate color, just plain silver for all of them, pretty much like their favorite colors. The nose, the mouth, the buttons, and the eyes were a little bit fiddly, trying to get that chunky glitter to pick it up piece by piece and place it on there was kind of a pain in the butt. I mean, once I got it going and I just realized that it was kind of simple, instead of trying to either pick it up with my fingers or try to pick it up with the tweezers, if you kind of just tap the tweezers, just get just the slightest little bit of glue on them, you could actually pick it up piece by piece easier. For the mouth, I used a different type of glitter. It's like in between fine and chunky, and it was just easier just to pick it up and hand sprinkle it on for the mouth. I kind of wish that I had done like a scarf or something like that, arms, I don't know, something, but I feel like if I had added anything else into it, it may have just muddied it up too much, and it just, I don't know, like, it definitely needs something else, and maybe had I done it smaller and put the hat on, that would have been better, but it just, I like them. I think they're super cute. I think I should have better thought out my plan on what to do and how big to make it, because he's just missing something. I just not 100% sure what. So I waited for that all to dry. Then I went through and I just took the Mod Podge and I wrote out the kids' names on each glass. The space kind of depended on the how long the name was and where I had space in between some of the snowflakes. I did go over on some of them, but I was able to I did go over the snowflakes in some of them and kind of go down into slant. You know, you can do different things, put the name wherever. It just kind of all depends on what it is that you're looking for each one. Now, after I did the names, I went ahead and I let these dry completely, a full 24 hours. I took a really, really soft brush and went over them. Not super, super hard, but not super soft either, to knock off any kind of loose glitter whatsoever. After I was done doing that, I got my gloss varnish, and I went over every single bit that had glitter on it in the entire cup, from the top all the way down. Put a real good coat of it on, let it dry, and then I went back and I put a second coat on each one of these. Now, I'm hoping, in theory, fingers crossed, that me doing this will keep the glitter in, because obviously, I mean, yeah, it's glued to the cup, but it's not like you can still feel it. I mean, you're going to feel it whether I put this on it or not, but I'm hoping that this will seal it in so that I don't have to worry about it coming off as fast anyway. That still remains to be seen. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Monday starts our Christmas videos. I'm super excited about that. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys on Monday. Love you. Bye.